kids, I hope you all are enjoying summer with family at home. But with that, we have to complete our block 4 fun and games. So let's begin our fourth video. Have you watched the all 3 videos that I have shared with you? What did you learn in the first video? We learned that there are many games. Some of them we play in school and some of them we play at home. Then student, in second video we learned about the team spirit and fair play. Yes. Then in third video we learned that there are many women who have made our India proud by winning many medals in games such as weightlifting, boxing, badminton and cricket and so on. Yes. Now in fourth video we will learn about the fairs and circuses. Okay students, we will recognize their importance as types of recreation. Do you know what is the means of recreation? Recreation means an activity that we do to have fun when we have completed our all work and we are free. Okay students, so whatever we do at free time to have fun is called recreation. Okay, visiting fairs and circuses are also a kind of recreation. Firstly, look at these pictures. What do you see here? See, these pictures are related to fairs. Students, fairs are the fun places where people set up shops to sell different things and food. Yes, fairs, we also call it Mela, are held for the short period of time in different places. They are for the short period of time. Means, suppose a fair held at your place, it will be for short period. Yes, after certain period they will move to the another place. Yes students, so as you can see here also, so many shops are here and they have giant wheels, merry-go-round to have fun. Okay, so this is all about the fair. Now students, look at these pictures. These pictures are related to circus. What is circus? It is also a fun place which moves from one place to another like fairs. A circus has many things that we can see and have fun. For example, we have clowns. They have so many animals to show tricks. Yes, and they have trapeze and the acrobats. What they do students? See, acrobat is a person who can move their body as they wish. Okay, and who is trapeze? It's also an artist who swings in the air holding rods from the ceiling. See, these all are firstly trained, then they perform these activities in the circus. Same animals also, they are caught and trained by the peoples. Okay, then they show the tricks to us. Is it clear students? Would you like to see how trapeze and acrobats perform in the circus? So let's have a tour to the circus. Students, as you can see here, these are the acrobats. They can twist or move their body in any way. And by moving their bodies, they show the tricks to people. Okay? Students, acrobats are the artists. Yes, they travel from one place to another to entertain people and earn money, as you can see in this video. The acrobats who perform in the circus practice for many years. Okay, and then they are able to do these tricks in front of people. Now students, these are the trapeze artists. They swing in the air holding rods from the ceiling. Okay? Like acrobats, they are also artists. They perform to entertain people and earn money. Students, they also perform after practice of so many years. Okay? So I request to you all, please don't ever try by yourself. Okay? They try these tricks in front of experts. I hope students you enjoyed it and learned how acrobats and the trapeze performs in the circus. Now students, I have a question for you. How are fairs and circus different from other places? How are circus and fairs are different from the other fun places? See, students, fairs are usually held in open ground. I hope you know this. And circus in huge tent. Okay, fairs sell many things such as toys, decoration items and other interesting things also. They can be a handmade, homemade things. Okay, they have a giant wheel and merry-go-round which we may not find in regular markets or shopping malls. Yes students, then what about the circus? A circus is a place which have clowns, acrobats and other fun things which are all real, unlike the movies. Students, we also see many peoples in movies who show tricks, but they are not real. But in circus, we see artists in real. Okay? So, we can go to circus or a fair with our family and we can have fun with them. Yes, students? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's read this content from our content book, page number 30. Students, fair, we have learned that fair is a place that sell many things like toys, crafts, clothes. It has the giant wheel, merry-go-round and they have food stall also. Yes, we learned that they held in large crowd but they have a temporary stalls. Temporary means for the short period of time. Yes, they are for the certain period, then after that period they will move to the another place. See, fair and circus, they both are the temporary. And circus has many people, they are artists and they show their tricks to entertain the peoples. Students, in circus, there are many groups of people. They are firstly get trained, then they perform their tricks to earn their money. Okay, after showing their tricks to one place, then they move to the another place where again they earn the money. Is it clear students? Now let's move towards our volume book. We will understand all the questions one by one. Okay, fair and circus. Now students, first question is, put a cross for those that you may see in circus and put a tick for those you may see in fair. We have to cross those pictures that we see in circus and we have to tick those pictures that we see in fair. So what about the first picture? We see it in circus or fair? Yes, in fair. So we will put a tick here. Okay. Now the second clown, we see it in a circus. So we will put a cross here. The third is trapeze. So we will put a cross again. Fourth is a giant wheel. Where we see it? In fair. So what will come? tick. Fifth one, you know we see it in circus. And yes, the sixth one, the elephant. See students, we can see elephant in fairs and in circus also. But in circus only it shows the tricks. And you can see here an elephant is showing a trick. That's why we see these kinds of animals in circus. So we will put a cross. Okay, is it clear? Now let's move towards the next question. They are asking, give 2 reasons why fairs and circus are fun places to visit. Students, they are saying why we have fun in visiting fair and circus. See, in fairs we have many stalls like toys and food. We have merry-go-round, we have giant wheel to have fun. Yes, and in circus we see many people to showing a trick and we get entertained by watching them. So we may give answer like this. Fairs have food stalls and giant wheels. We can eat fast food there. We can ride on giant wheel. The circus has real artists. Unlike movies don't have real artists, but the circus has. It would be fun to see them. Yes. Now the last question they are asking, write one thing each that you do not like in circus and fair. Students, is it anything that you don't like about them? Okay, for example, I'm writing what I don't like about the fair and circus. The first thing about the circus, that they use the animal to show the tricks, which is not good. Students, animals can't speak, but still they feel. Yes, their home is jungle, so we should let them stay there only. We should not use them in circus. Second thing that I don't like about the fair is crowd. See, when we go to a fair, it is very crowded place and we may get lost there. That's why I don't like it. Do you also have the same reasons? Or if you have another reasons, then you can write them also. Okay. So students, is it clear? So this is all about today's topic. And students, we have completed this block with 4 videos. Yes. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp and you can call me also. And yes, your homework is that you have to read this topic from your content book on page number 30 and you can call me and complete your volume sheet number 4 of this block. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.